Mr. Collins, I'm with Harry today.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so good morning. Hope you're all well. Today, no Kahoot today, so we are getting those self-reports done. Let me just run through that again with you. If you haven't sent them, 3 people have. Thank you for that. You guys can just chill out for the next 10 minutes. The rest of you guys need to be working on your reports. Let's just run through that again. So we are all on the same page. Okay, so this is on yesterday's, so go to yesterday's calendar if you want, so it's on the 25th. The guidance. First of all, maybe have a read through the examples of the self-written comments. So you can see these will go on reports, so on your official reports. So do make them quite official sounding, do spell check them, and do use capitals to start sentences and stuff like that. And try and just put it all in one paragraph. When you're done, just email it to me and I'll put it in the, I'll give it to Mr. Henson, who'll double check that you're all okay. What you should include then, if you have contributed to the school community or the house competitions or the student council, put that in. If you haven't, it's okay, you can ignore. Areas of growth that you're most proud of, so what you have achieved this semester that you're very proud of, if it's in a subject, if it's outside a subject, that's up to you. Do include your goals for next semester. It doesn't have to be attendance necessarily, but you can talk about your organizations or a specific subject or how much effort you're going to put in. That's another good thing to put in. You can suggest what area of blended learning you've thrived in, any particular thing, but that's up to you. Do include an element of the self-management rubric, which is below. I'll scroll to that in a second. And do include something on the CCS values. So perhaps either learning or balance. So we focused on those this year, learning and balance. So did you make any headway with those? This semester I, and during the semester I, is how you start it. And succinct means just be short and to the point, and about 150 words and a paragraph. And yeah, as this is Mr. Henson words, these go on your official report. So do keep it nice and formal. Here's the self-management rubric here at the end. So include some of the words you see here. So perhaps you say, okay, I want to deal with mindset. How's my mindset? And then look in here, okay, am I resilient? If resilient is something you want to talk about, you use the words such as, you know, I am occasionally resilient, but I want to be consistently resilient, something like that. Perseverance, the same thing. You can just use some of the words. So pick something from this column, the explanation, and then pick which one of these you are. So if it's reflection, and you're talking about goal setting, so setting new goals in order to reach new full potential, I'm going to set some goals for next semester that are in English. I'm going to try and do this because I only occasionally set goals at the moment, and I want to consistently set goals for all subjects in the next semester, something like that. So you can see an expert will consistently do all these things. So to be an expert at all these things would be almost impossible. Amazing. But you can have a look at that and maybe use some words that are here to put in your report. If you're struggling for some content, you can just scroll down here and just pick words out and then just put them in. So do include stuff like any fitness stuff you did, or how well the well-being sessions, what you enjoyed from those. Do include those as well if you want. Okay, so you can use now the rest of the time to finish your reports and email them to me.